What's the meaning of bottom up? Bottom up. Bottom up.
Bottom up. Bottom up. The term bottom-up refers to an approach or method that starts with the individual pieces and builds up to a larger whole. It is often used in fields such as economics, education, and psychology. In a bottom-up approach, small-scale ideas are combined to create a larger, more comprehensive solution. This approach is often favored over a top-down approach, which involves starting with overarching concepts and breaking them down into smaller components. The result of a successful bottom-up approach is a strong foundation that is built on the strengths and contributions of many individuals, leading to a more well-rounded and sustainable outcome.